Hey, my YouTube family and friends. Just want to give a big shout out to all of you. Just to say thank you guys for your support. All of the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Just know that I so absolutely appreciate you. I so absolutely appreciate all the support. So right now I'm not showing you my analytics right now, and it's all because of you guys. I thank you for your love. I thank you for all that you do. And so I just want to say, you know, without you I could do nothing. But please continue to subscribe and share the videos. Right now you'll notice that um this is for the last 28 days. We got 11,500 views. That's not bad. We have 300. You watch the videos. 311 hours. We gained 245 new MVP family. An addition to the MVP family of 245. If you came on board, I want to say welcome. Just know that you're always appreciated. I just truly appreciate you. We have $15 sitting, we have $50 and counting. And we're now at 4,038 subscribers. Right now, 201 of you are watching. And I so appreciate it, guys. I've come a long way, We have come a long way because I remember when sometimes I look on here, I didn't understand how this works, but sometimes I would come on and see that flat line right there. If you look good though, there's some movement. There's some movement. But there were times when I come on and it was like maybe one view in the last 48 hours or two views or, you know, 25 views. But now, praise God, I am so happy when I come on here and I see that 201 persons have watched in the last 48 hours. So, guys, listen to me. I so truly appreciate all that you do as you continue to help me make this little channel grow. Today you watched the video, I was doing some exercise. I still have a big tummy to get some of the meat off, but I am trying hard to do the leg lifts and to tone it, to get some toning done, to lose some things. I am doing more salads now, so I do one meal in the middle of the day. Like I get up in the mornings and most times I don't eat like until 2, 3 o'clock. Sometimes I eat when Danny makes dinner for work or if I cook dinner so he can get a meal before he goes to work. And I'm trying to do that, drinking more water. So as I said, the dress I did yesterday, you all remembered it from my birthday, like 2017, 20, after COVID. It was like 2020, 21. I'm not sure, but it's been a few years back. My niece was here, and I was actually giving her the dresses. So put them on your put them on your Instagram because she has a thing, best deals on Instagram where she sells stuff. I said take them, like what, 6 dresses with the jackets and stuff. I said just take them because they never fit and I'm not gonna get back to that size. And guys, I was 318 pounds. 318. And yes, my channel is a one-stop shop because I do so many little things there. I do poetry, I dance, I sing, I motivate, I encourage, I uplift. And so I call it the one-stop shop. I cook. And so I crochet and I do some walking and do some, some stuff. So now today you saw me in the gazelle. But as I was saying about the dress, that red dress that I wore yesterday in the video for Mother's Day, I also did the poem Desiderata for everybody. I love that poem. It's a good reminder. And that dress a size 24, guys, a size 24. I'm telling you, at 318, I reached 316. I was going, and once I just realized that, I'm getting older. I'm not a young chick anymore. I'm an older person, right? I'm a senior citizen. Oh, boy. But, once I get up there, and I thought, I'm looking at the weight, and I said, oh my God. But because I'm working, I just keep going, I just keep going, I just keep going. But I needed to fix the weight. And so the doctor had said, listen, you're going to have the weight. Okay, he said, if there was any kind of fixing for weight loss, there would be no fat, rich persons out there. But what you want to be able to do, guys, is just to keep moving, keep dancing, keep singing, keep moving. Just rock your body, just move your body, just keep moving. And you're going to feel better, and you're going to see some changes. So I started the walking, the dancing, changing the diet, and I started losing some pounds. So you notice that I dropped from a size 30. I went down to a size 24, when able to wear size 24. I like big shirts, especially when I'm in the house. I like, I'll wear a huge t-shirt. But my dresses, guys, I showed you the sizes. I showed you the thing in the back of the dresses. They are size 24. So I did go down from a 30 to a 24. And then I'm not walking as much as I should. And then I went through my situation, and I'm home since last November 15th, when the kid threatened my life. And I have been home. I do some walking outside in the back still, and but I'm not consistent. But I'm picking it up back where I'm going out. And last week I was out there yesterday. So I'm getting back on track, because I've been doing just trying to eat one big meal for the day. And so I'm not eating at 8 or 7 in the morning anymore. I'm eating in the afternoon. And so hopefully that will add to something. And the movements and the stretching and the clapping and the leg lifts, they will hopefully give me some oomph, some bang for my dollars. But I'm hoping, guys, that as I go forward, that I'm encouraging and motivating. Thank you, Jet. I like that you jumped on board, and you felt motivated, you felt encouraged to get up today and move once you saw me moving, and for all the rest. But thank you, guys, for all your support. Share the videos, guys. This is my channel analytics. And again, I came on this thing not knowing jack squat about anything. I didn't even understand the analytics. But now I'm showing you what it looks like. And little by little, I know that we can get there. So I'm proud that 201 of you are watching, 48 hours. 201 people. I'm so thankful. And for the subscribers, yes, I'm at 4,000. It was at 4,040 something, and then one drop off, two drops off, so I'm down to 4,038. But I'm still just grateful that I'm there. So guys, just help me get to now 5,000 or 4,500. Let's work for that. Share the videos, guys, please. Share the videos. Anyone that you watch that encourages you, just share it out and encourage your friends, your family, anybody who can use an uplifting word, anybody who wants Desiderata, the poem, can help them. Send it out to them, my people. Send it out. I so truly appreciate you and all the support you have been given to this girl. And again, I say thank you from the depths of my heart. Thanks to all of you, every single one of you are important to me. I appreciate all of you. And so tonight, I say good night, rest well, and just remember to look in the mirror and love yourselves. Just look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am important. I am powerful. I am filled with greatness and strength. I am somebody. And so that you can continue to just lift your spirits and go forth and be great. So thank you, guys. Years ago, never thought I could see me getting 245 subscribers. In 28 days, it seems like 15 more than usual. 311 watch time. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for those of you who are commenting. I know a lot of you are watching but not commenting. I love you too. And thank you for all these views that you have given to me. 11,500 views. What is it? 11,540 views in the last 28 days. Praise God. So thank you guys. Thank you again. I can't tell you thanks enough. I know we have the flat lines sometimes until we go up because a video or so come out and you like it. And then it goes all the way back down. You get excited and then you go back. Well, it's not you. It's just me. You have to find out what it is you enjoy. But tell me in the comments, guys, tell me what you want me to post. What is it you'd like me to go out and videotape? We're out in Connecticut. I don't have a lot of content unless I do some juicing or some cooking or something. I don't have a park. Or maybe I could go over to the park and walk around probably, but just tell me if it's just something you want me to make some juice, do another video crocheting. I'm still working on that crochet piece. Do you want me to do a juice? I have fruits in the fridge, frozen fruits. I have mangoes, fresh bananas. I could do something, but just kind of give me a hint as to tell me, Miss Bev, why don't you do so and so? I'm going to do a video walking in the backyard doing my 10 laps. Because the weather is nice, except you hear me how stuffy I am because of the allergies. But I'm going to go out there and get it done. So that you can see that I am trying on the weight loss journey. And I want you guys to get up and try the same thing, all right? So good night, everybody. Good night with love and appreciation, with love and respect, with love and kindness, with love and just caring ways. Take care of yourselves. Be good to yourselves because you deserve it. Bye.